Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to equip gun body in Valorant. Basically guys, the gun body is the accessory that will be appearing with your gun inside of the game. It doesn't change anything in the gameplay, it doesn't affect you, it's even barely visible. But it is really cool when you mix it with skins and new gun which will become much more cooler. Well, let me show you an example of what a gun body will look like. So let me just go inside of like a practice range and let's go to a shooting range. Here guys, I will show you my gun body, which is I think I equipped it on my normal gun, which is I think the ghost gun, I think. So let me just see. Now let's open. Let's just equip whatever agent we have. So let's keep this. And yeah, as you can see, this is my gun. And as you can see, the blue thing on the gun, it is the gun body. So in order to add it to your gun, it is a pretty simple way, and it's make your gun kind of looks better than being just only a gun. There's multiple options of gun bodies. You can earn them inside the game, battle pass, and you can buy them in the shop if you want, or get the bundles that got like skins and gun bodies. Well, in order to equip that gun body, I will show you that in a few seconds. So first of all, let me just quit this, go here, leave match, and let's leave here. Now, what you have to do is basically pretty simple. Let's go ahead into your collection and then go ahead and choose whatever gun you want to add the body to it. For example, the Vandal. We click on the Vandal and then you will see here at the top scans and next to it you will find bodies. So it's pretty simple. You can just click here and search for your bodies that you have. So let's click here to see the ownership and you will find that you have actually pretty much a whole collection of bodies. So you can choose whatever you'd like from them, and basically what you need to do is just pick it, equip body, and just like so the gun will be equipped with the body. So as you can see here, if you want to remove it, you just have to go there and click on unequip body, and the body will be unequipped and it will be no longer visible on your gun, just like so. So yeah guys, that was it with today's tutorial. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.